Have you ever taken a photo that looked great in your head, but the result just screamed beginner? Maybe a random pole popped out of someone's head, or the background was busier than a street market on a Saturday. Have you got a minute? Let's educate, inspire and empower your photography, one 60-second tip at a time. Here's the thing, most beginner mistakes don't come from bad gear or lack of talent. They come from rushing. We lock onto our subject, get excited and click too fast. Then later notice all the distractions we missed at the time. So next time, just take 2 seconds to scan your frame, check the edges, the corners, the background and ask yourself, is there anything here that doesn't belong? Then move your feet, change your angle or adjust your depth of field to clean it up. Think like a movie director. Everything in your frame is a character in the story. If it doesn't help the story, cut it out. And that simple mindset shift can turn a snapshot into a photo that feels intentional and professional. And if you want to fix more of those common beginner mistakes, like using flash properly, editing with confidence and mastering your camera settings, check out my full video here. Remember, every pro started right where you are. Keep practicing, keep learning, and you'll see your photos drastically improve. That was your Focus Bite, and better photos aren't about gear, they're about vision. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you soon.